Target cost design. How to deliver value for the customer. Target cost design is a disciplined design management system that focuses on delivering what represents value for the customer for the cost that they can afford. Unlike traditional design processes where teams often design in silos and the final cost is not known until after the tender, target cost design is a dynamic process that involves contractors that are going to be doing the work. It involves establishing a clear target, developing fully integrated design solutions with the whole team that meet the requirements, and testing assumptions to the requirements and cost. Simple as that. We need to clearly define the target, what represents value for the owner, integrate the designs to provide the best solution, and test assumptions against the target cost. To be effective in delivering any project requires a clear definition of scope, process, success criteria, and the budget. Project requirements also need to be prioritized so that the team has flexibility to deliver a best value solution that fits within the available budget. The project requirements also need to be prioritized so that the team has flexibility to deliver a best value solution that fits within the available budget. The Mosaic Center project requirements have been included for reference as to what is achievable when a team adopts lean project delivery to deliver a challenging project. A survey can be used to help facilitate the creation of the project requirements. It is recommended to involve as many stakeholders as possible in order to establish buy-in for this document. This helps to reduce the risk of having the project stall to address any outstanding requirements that were not addressed at the initiations of the project stage. This is important. I've had that happen to me. In the collaboration section, we will learn how to delve into how to integrate designs to achieve much higher levels of performance. We also look at commissioning and how it can be used to test assumptions during design to ensure that the project requirements are met within the allowable budget. So we need to remember to focus on the customer first and the big picture value. Quite often we focus on design costs and construction costs when we really need to consider how the people are going to be working in the space, and the people costs are usually a top priority. We need to integrate the designs to meet the requirements. And when we do, we need to assign cluster groups to each piece of the pie and hold them responsible for the cost for each part of the budget. When we do a good job of tunneling through the cost barriers, we can achieve higher performance at less cost. We need to test the design against the target requirements and cost often so that we don't waste resources in designing something we cannot afford. And we also need to manage commitments throughout the project, just like we do through construction, by planning the work for the information flow. In the collaboration module, we will cover more information about the integrated design process and how to collaborate to deliver value. The target cost design process requires the design team completely understand the project requirements and what represents value for the owner, test the design assumptions early and regular for value, keep all options open until the last minute, and finally choosing and integrating the best concepts that create the best value for the target cost. Target cost design is a process that enables teams to design it right the first time. Target cost design is based upon having the budget influence the design as opposed to the budget becoming a result of the design process. In the end, successful collaboration on TBD results in design that meet the project requirements at or below the target cost. High performance at less cost? Yes, you can have your cake and eat it too. How about net zero energy at net zero additional cost? We are going to look at the Mosaic Center case study as the last part of this introduction course. With target cost design, the sky is the limit. Have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next video.